So let's see the examples of these hydrated compounds, because these are going to play very important role as per the examination point of view. Questions will be asked from these chemical formulas along with their common names and so on. So let's proceed further. So we need to go along with the chemical formula, chemical name, common name and formula. Fine. So first of all, the chemical name of hydrated compound is barium chloride dihydrate. तो इसका कोई कॉमन नेम नहीं है, BaCl2 into 2H2. This is a kind of salt which is hydrated salt. Another example is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Calcium sulfate dihydrate is very important salt is with us. The common name is gypsum and the formula is CaSO4, calcium sulfate into 2H2O dihydrate. Fine. Common name we need to remember, that is gypsum. Next is copper nitrate trihydrate. Copper nitrate CuNO3 twice and 3H2O. How these formulas are coming here, you guys are very well aware about because of the valency. Copper का valency 2 है, nitrate का 1 है. तो NO3 twice we have written here to fulfillment of the valencies. Fine. Next is जिसका the particular compound who is not having any common name, so we need not to go with that because that is already not here. So we need to skip out that. We need to proceed with chemical name and formula only. And where common name is provided to you guys, you need to learn that very well because that is very, very important. Next is copper 2 chloride tetrahydrate. Copper 2 chloride CuCl2 and 4H2O. It means copper is in the oxidation state of 2 and 4 water molecules are there. It means tetra. 4 is for tetrahydrate. Another is copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. Here the name of this is again very important, blue vitriol. It means it is blue in color and vitriol is called as for this salt and formula is copper sulfate CuSO4 into 5H2O. So this is copper sulfate pentahydrate and we are also say this is the blue vitriol, the common copper sulfate solution which we are using in our experiment of displacement reaction. Fine, that is copper sulfate solution we are going to dip iron nail and afterward we'll see color change and nail pe brown color of the substance, that is kind of rusting, that is the displacement reaction. This is the common name of this copper sulfate pentahydrate is blue vitriol. Next important salt are again here, so we need to proceed like, so first of all here calcium chloride hexahydrate. Calcium chloride 6H2O, hexa is for 6. Another one is iron 2 sulfate heptahydrate, hepta is for 7 and the common name is green vitriol. When the copper sulfate solution we have done the experiment na, we have done that ki copper sulfate solutions we have taken and in that solution we are putting iron nail and afterward reaction is proceed, displacement reaction का example था, तो copper is here है ना, तो copper sulfate solution when iron is there, iron is displacing copper, then we are getting iron sulfate plus copper. कॉपर को रिमूव कर दिया इसके सॉल्ट के सॉल्यूशन से. सो दिस वाज ब्लू इन कलर. तो क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क्ड ऑन दीस क्वेश्चंस. इनके कलर पे भी क्वेश्चन आता है. व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ ब्लू कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन? दैट इज ब्लू इन कलर एंड आफ्टर द डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, व्हिच रिएक्शन इज हियर? डिस्प्लेसमेंट. और कैसे होती है बेटा डिस्प्लेसमेंट? high reactive element going to replace less reactive, high reactive going to replace less reactive. So in that reactivity series we need to see which one is placing over where. So copper is with along with the noble metal, that is less reactive as per the iron. Iron is कम reactive है. So iron is displacing this. Iron is displacing this. Fine. So iron sulfate and copper we are getting. So in beginning copper sulfate is blue in color, but after this displacement reaction this will be green in color. So that's why you guys will understand this solution of iron sulfate is green vitriol. This is green vitriol because you need to remember this reaction also which we have done in first chapter in case of displacement. And the formula is ferrous sulfate into 7H2 heptahydrate. It will, when it is going in the crystalline form, now this ferrous sulfate is crystallized, then it will be taking 7 molecules of water. So that's why this is heptahydrate. Fine. Next is zinc sulfate heptahydrate and the formula of this is ZnSO4 into 7H2 hepta hydrate, and the name of this common name is white vitriol, mean it is not having any color, it is already white in color. Next is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, and common name is Epsom salt. This is very very important, question will be asked, what is the chemical formula of Epsom salt? So that we need to know कि Epsom salt exactly what is this Epsom salt. So Epsom salt है क्या, that we need to know कि magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, then we are able to give the chemical formula. Fine, MgSO4 7H2O. Next is sodium carbonate decahydrate, that is which one is this? Guess, this is our washing soda, Na2CO3 10H2O. Another one is sodium sulfate decahydrate. So this is with us Glauber's salt. इसका नाम क्या है? Common Glauber's salt. Sometime it can be asked, give the chemical formula of Glauber's salt, or sometime sodium sulfate decahydrate. What is the common name of this salt? Question will be asked in both ways, and formula is Na2SO4 10H2O. So these are very important hydrated compounds with us, along with their formula, chemical name and common name we have done, and they are very very important in the point of examination view. इनको पूछा जाता है by crossing the question, sometime as per the common name, sometime by the chemical formula, and like this.